Hello and welcome. Today, I will show you how to upload, share, and download files in Drive in HMailPlus webmail. To upload a file, click the cloud icon to open Drive, or click on the menu icon and select Drive. Then select a folder of your choice on the left. Click New and choose to upload either Files, File Encrypted, or Folder. Choose the item you wish to upload. Once uploaded, it will appear right here. From here, you can edit, download, add as favorite, or even delete. To share, click the share icon or right-click the file and choose Share/Permissions. To share it via email, select Invited People Only, key in the names or email addresses here, then click Share. To share as a link, select anyone with the public link and invited people, then copy the link. You can also add email addresses here to invite. To edit permissions, click the drop-down beside Invite As and choose whether the invited people to either read only or read and write. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.